For all the advantages associated with the modern hybrid IT and data center architectures and work-from-anywhere approach to business, there is an increasingly dangerous downside. Ransomware and other cyber attacks are skyrocketing. On-premise, applications, data and remote workers and their devices are being targeted 24/7. Trying to secure a network with a legacy manual approach just won't work anymore. At ISSQUARED, we're a Fortinet partner who can protect and manage all threats and risks and keep your operations running with FortiGate Next-Generation Firewalls. Our solution can protect any user and device, anywhere, anytime, with AI/ML powered by FortiGuard services. We'll help you reduce costs and achieve optimal TCO, and eliminate point products by running networking and multiple security functions at hyperscale. Our integrated Zero Trust Network Access Proxy delivers consistent, end-to-end security and will simplify operations and save you time with easy-to-use single pane of glass management and automation. These words shouldn't keep you up at night. Trust Fortinet partner ISSQUARED to secure your network today.